Hey everyone. So, get this.
Imagine a business that can,
Practically read its customers' minds.
predict what they need before they even ask,
Mm-hmm.
and then automatically whips up the perfect content.
Just like that.
Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right?
Totally.
Well, today's deep dive is all about how this sci-fi scenario is becoming reality.
Thanks to AI and something called atomic content.
We're diving deep into a talk by Jennifer Johnson.
And trust me, this is one you won't want to miss.
Yeah, what I really like about Jennifer's approach is that,
She doesn't just throw around AI buzzwords,
she gets down to the nuts and bolts.
showing us how businesses can use these tools to solve,
Real-world problems.
especially in customer service and content creation,
Yeah.
areas where, let's face it, we can all use a little help.
Oh, you're telling me.
I can't even count how many times I've been stuck on hold.
Listening to that elevator music, just waiting to get a simple question answered.
It's enough to make anyone pull their hair out.
Oh, for sure.
But Jennifer starts by, throwing out some eye-popping numbers.
Yeah, trillions of dollars.
Spent globally on customer service every year.
It's mind-boggling, isn't it?
Billions upon billions of calls.
Those numbers show just how massive these customer service operations are.
And how much they cost businesses.
But here's the kicker.
Jennifer highlights how AI has the potential to save businesses.
A whopping $510 million.
Whoa!
Yes.
You heard that right, millions.
Okay, that's a game changer.
So how exactly does AI pull off this cost-saving magic trick?
Well, that's where atomic content enters the scene.
Think of it like this.
Imagine breaking down all of your company's information
Everything from product descriptions to troubleshooting guides,
into,
bite-sized, reusable chunks.
like digital Lego bricks.
Okay.
These content blocks become the building blocks that AI can use.
To create and manage information much more efficiently.
So instead of having to create every single piece of content from scratch.
You've got these ready-made blocks that AI can mix and match.
Exactly.
Like some kind of super-powered,
content building machine.
and this is incredibly powerful.
Especially in customer service.
Jennifer gives this fantastic example of a call center
That's using AI and atomic content.
to totally revamp their operations.
So let's say you're calling in with an issue.
Okay.
Instead of being put on hold forever,
The AI can listen in, figure out what's going on.
and even create a summary of your case automatically.
Wow. Talk about a time saver.
No more scrambling to jot down notes while you're on the phone with a customer.
Right?
This could be huge for businesses with large call volumes.
Absolutely.
But it gets even better.
Remember those atomic content blocks we were talking about?
Yeah.
Well, the AI can use those to instantly search the knowledge base for solutions
And maybe even resolve the issue.
before a human agent even picks up the phone.
Now that's what I call working smarter, not harder.
But what if the AI hits a roadblock?
And can't solve the problem on its own.
Even then, AI can still be a lifesaver. Jennifer talks about using AI to automatically create knowledge base articles.
Based on those interactions,
Imagine this.
you call in with a really unusual problem.
The agent figures out how to fix it.
And then behind the scenes,
The AI automatically creates an article explaining the issue,
the cause and the solution.
all from that one interaction,
So the AI is like that friend who's always taking notes.
and then shares them with everyone,
It's constantly learning and expanding the knowledge base.
making it more and more useful over time.
Right.
That's pretty slick.
And since this new knowledge base article is built from those reusable atomic content blocks,
It's instantly accessible and searchable,
it's like having a team of super efficient content creators.
working 24/7, all powered by AI.
Which brings us to another exciting application of this technology.
Content creation on autopilot.
Content creation on autopilot. Okay, you've got my attention.
Tell me more.
We're talking about AI that can generate different formats of content.
From a single source. Full-blown articles, FAQs, even step-by-step guides.
And it can do it all with just a simple prompt.
Hold on.
Are you saying I can give the AI a simple prompt
Like how to bake the perfect chocolate chip cookie.
and it can create all of that?
You got it.
Jennifer actually highlights a similar example in her talk.
Showing how AI can generate different formats of content.
From a simple prompt like, how to power off your iPhone 13 Max.
And it doesn't stop there,
The AI can even generate audio versions of that content.
making information more accessible to everyone,
That's amazing.
especially in terms of accessibility for people who are visually impaired.
Or have learning
It
disabilities.
sounds like AI could completely revolutionize how businesses
Create and manage content.
making it faster, easier, and more accessible for everyone.
Absolutely. And here's the thing.
It's not just about churning out more content.
It's about creating the right content.
The kind of content that resonates with your audience,
Okay.
answers their questions.
And helps them achieve their goals.
And that's where Jennifer's expertise with Drupal comes in.
She actually walks us through
How she used Drupal to build a system for a call center.
using it as a foundation for all this AI magic.
Okay, so Drupal is like the secret sauce that ties everything together.
For those of us who aren't tech savvy,
It reminds us what Drupal is all about.
good point. It can feel like alphabet soup sometimes.
Right.
Yeah.
Drupal is basically a really powerful content management system
It's kind of like the engine under the hood.
that powers a lot of websites and applications,
And the cool thing about Drupal is that it's open source.
which means it's super flexible and customizable.
Jennifer uses this to create
What she calls a call center quick create content type.
call center quick create.
Sounds intriguing.
Break that down for me.
What exactly is a content type?
Think of it like a template or a blueprint.
But for content.
Okay.
So within this call center quick create template,
Jennifer has set up specific fields
for all the essential pieces of information,
related to a customer interaction.
it's like a super organized form.
That's designed to capture all the right details.
So what kind of fields are we talking about here?
Give me the behind-the-scenes spoop.
She's got fields for things like
Case summary.
issue, environment, cause, and resolution.
All those key details that help you understand.
A customer's problem and how it was solved,
And these fields are structured in a really smart way,
following a best practice framework for knowledge management.
called issue, environment, cause, resolution.
Okay, that makes sense.
So instead of just having a jumble of notes
You've got all this information neatly organized.
and categorized,
But how does the AI actually use these fields?
this is where it gets really cool.
Jennifer uses something called augmenters.
To connect these fields to specific AI prompts.
Augmentors.
AI prompts.
Okay, you're losing me a little bit.
Sorry about that. Think of a prompt.
As an instruction you give to the AI
It's basically telling the AI what to do.
with the information in those
Like,
fields.
yeah.
So for example,
You might have a prompt that says,
take the info from the issue and resolution fields.
and write me a short and sweet case summary
Or another prompt could be,
using all the information gathered.
create a draft knowledge base article.
And the beauty of it is
That these prompts can be totally customized.
to fit any business's needs,
So it's like teaching the AI how to speak.
your business's language, and follow your specific instructions.
You got it.
And once these fields are filled out,
And the AI has done its thing
the system can automatically generate all sorts of content.
with just a single click.
Articles, FAQs, step-by-step guides.
Even audio versions.
It's like having a content creation machine at your fingertips.
That's incredible.
So much faster than manually creating all that content.
But I have to ask,
What about all those stories you hear about AI hallucinations?
where it just spits out random stuff.
How can businesses be sure that AI is actually generating?
Accurate and reliable content.
That's such an important question.
And Jennifer addresses it head on.
She's a big advocate for human oversight in the process.
It's not about letting the AI run wild.
It's about having humans review the output
Fine-tune those AI prompts.
and make sure the content aligns with the brand and messaging.
So it's all about finding that sweet spot.
Between AI automation and human expertise.
Exactly.
It's about leveraging the strengths of both.
To create a system that's both efficient and effective.
This is blowing my mind.
It sounds like AI has the potential to totally transform the customer experience.
Think about it.
Instead of being put on hold or transferred a dozen times.
The AI can access that treasure trove of knowledge we talked about
The atomic content.
and give the agent the information they need.
To help you quickly and efficiently.
No more getting bounced around from department to department.
I can see how that would make customers incredibly happy.
Right.
And because the AI is always learning from every interaction.
The system gets smarter over time,
Leading to faster resolution times.
happier customer.
And less stress for everyone involved.
It's a win-win.
This all sounds amazing.
But it seems like we've mainly been talking about customer service.
Jennifer also talks about using AI for sentiment analysis, right?
Now that sounds fascinating.
Absolutely.
It's another exciting application.
Think about all those customer reviews,
Social media comments.
survey responses.
A gold mine of data.
Often businesses aren't using this data to its full potential.
But AI can change that.
It's like having a team of digital detectives sifting through mountains of data.
To uncover hidden clues about what customers really think.
Right.
I can already see marketing departments jumping for joy.
It's a game changer for sure.
And it goes way beyond.
Just figuring out if people generally like your product or not.
AI can pinpoint
exactly why customers feel the way they do.
What's making them rave about your product?
Okay,